Welcome to your circle time. Okay kids, today we are going to talk about our personal hygiene. Okay my little kids, tell me one thing, that when you wake up early in the morning, what things should we do? Okay kids, we have already talked earlier that we must keep our things in a proper place, like your toys, your books, your clothes, whatever you have for your playing or your things. Okay, so also we should keep ourselves neat and clean. For this thing that we are going to sing a song. I will sing a song and show you some moves to follow along. So here we go.
This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth early in the morning. This is the way we get dressed, get dressed, get dressed. This is the way we get dressed early in the morning. This is the way we go to school, go to school, go to school. This is the way we go to school early in the morning.
Nice job kids. Okay, you can sing this song too, and that way you will never forget to brush your teeth, comb your hair, wash your face, go to school.